Are you ready to watch the sickest skateboarding vlog that I have ever made? It's actually the only one I've ever made. Alright, let's go.
It's like an abusive relationship. You get your ass beat, but then you look back like, I had some of the best times on a fucking skateboard, bro. Yeah. It got me through so much shit, dude. So much shit. It's like Mike Phelps, you owe skateboarding. Yeah. Skateboarding doesn't owe you. You owe skateboarding. I owe that board my life, dude. And I'd gladly eat shit for it. That's what it is. I'd gladly eat shit for that fucking board, bro. It's worth it.
Yeah.
That's the cool thing about being a skateboarder or being a musician or being an artist. You figure it out your own way and you do it your way. And it's never good enough, but that's the that's the good part about it.
Let's go. All right, we are out on the open road. We got a board, got the tripod tied to my bike with some shoelaces. We're going places. Let me tell you that. You see that, mate? We hunt down some wild prairie dogs. We're out here in the Sahara. We got ourselves a ripper. A modern day fucking ripper. We got a pack of the little fuckers dead ahead, mate. Do you see them scared shitless of us? What up, bitches? Now that's wild, man. We made it to the strip mall. See if we can find any skate spots around here. All right, what do we got here? Little rock gap to drop in between the sign and the wall. Cue the montage.
Well, it's like the metaphor of the board, right? Yeah. It represents the craziest shit, dude. It represents all that history, all that fucking freedom, attitude of, I'm just doing whatever I want, bruh. Just doing whatever the fuck I want, bruh.
Do you think skating's an art?
Fuck yeah. You just gotta keep trying. You want to prove yourself, really, too.
Are you proving yourself to yourself or to other people?
Nah, I think it's definitely personal.
Yeah, it's personal.
It's super personal. I feel like that's the coolest thing about skating. It's never against anything.
Wherever you're ready, man.
Slowly but surely, bro. It's just practice, dog. You know that. That's the thing about skaters, bro. You can apply that to anything. You have to. You have to. You have
Especially
to.
the things you're into.
Yeah. I mean, why not?
You think you had that before skating, or you got that from skating?
That's the $1 million question, bro.
Yeah.
That makes you think right there.
What's up, motherfucker? Oh shit!
Holy shit.
That was far.
Feels so good. Pandas for life.
It's crazy. It definitely drives you a little insane.
And it's like, you don't need to be doing any of that. You know, you can make it look cool.
No one even like probably wants you to do that, you know?
Most
like,
people don't want you to do it.
Yeah.
Most people are like, why are you doing that?
Yeah.
Most people are like, I would never, or I'd fall off. And it's so funny too, because it's like, you don't make me fall off.
That's constant every day.
There's one time I make it. There's like a million times I'm falling off the board, dude.
Yeah.
Deeper. Feels so good. Oh my God. This is the best. All right. Stoked to be in some water, cooling off, chilling out, had some fun, found some cool spots. That's a wrap. Fuck yeah, let's get it.
It's an addiction for sure.
It's an addiction for sure.